stumbling around rocks and gravel out in the fields looking at junk antique.
Yeah. Did you find anything good, by the way?
Oh, a few things. I bought a workbench.
Yeah.
Hey, you got your foot on mine.
It's because I'm holding you in place because I don't trust you to stay still anymore.
Well, I started to jump right then.
We're going to spray a little cold spray on you there.
Hey.
And then we're going to stick a needle in you just like that. And then I'm going to squirt some cortisone. No, keep talking. Don't stop. You're making yourself all nervous.
Anyway, Warrington Round Top.
Yeah.
Twice a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what happens there? You find junk in a field.
Oh, they got thousands. Miles. You've never been?
No, my goodness, no.
Lucky you.
Well, I'm feeling the luck.
You're married?
Yes, I am.
Pretend.
Does your wife know about this?
I think we're not going to be able to show this video because I don't want the DW to know about some giant antique show that I got to go traipsing through some field, tripping over old anvils
women
and
get
things.
in there, they drag trailers behind a truck and fill them up.
Here's a bit. Here.
You got a Band-Aid? Yeah, that doesn't sound like my idea of fun. Although I do like a well-placed antique. I'm not an antique nut. I mean, I like.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yours good.
Well, my wife and a neighbor now,
Yeah.
they're redesigning the dining room, chalk painting all the furniture and all this stuff.
Now, you had surgery on your knee once before,
Yes.
and you've done pretty well with it since then, right?
It's been at least 10
Okay.
years, and I've never had a shot in it since.
Did that hurt?
No.
Let's do it again, Gonzo.
I think we messed it up.
We
Can I do
probably
it this
You want to
time?
try the other knee now?
Yeah, because that's the third one we've done. We get up to an even 4. I think we'll be able to sell this kind
Can
of.
I do it?
Yeah, you can do it.
All right.
No, you can't.
Oh.
Really?
Squares just shut you down.
Not your job.
What do you think?
Hey, you don't mind if we share this on the internet and YouTube and send a copy to the United States Department of Transportation and Safety?
I don't think you need to do that.
Yeah.
But I can use it on the internet.
Hey folks, Adam here again. I'm answering your questions today. So one of the questions is, where can I get Meta 7? You need to boost your energy. Where can you get it? Well, it's available on eBay, but the primary seller is on Amazon. Amazon Prime, you can get it delivered, oftentimes next day service, Meta 7. Boost your energy. You're gonna have the Amazon A to Z guarantee. You're gonna have all the benefits of Amazon delivery. Credit card's gonna go right through, and I know you already are an Amazon Prime member. So go ahead and click the link in the description below and pick up Meta 7 today.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case, and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.